headed to go see the Red Baron, as I have coined it at this point. That's its name for now. The Red Baron. We are going to be pulling in a second.
Your destination is on the left.
There she is.
Yeah, I'm Rick.
Hey, how are you, man? I'm Corin.
Corin, hey, good.
Pleasure. You mind if we do some filming while we're here?
All right.
No, it just came in. I haven't really decided.
That's okay.
Now got back.
That's okay, Rick.
If they cleaned it, or if it's what you want, then
Yeah. Well, yeah, we absolutely need it. Yeah, we're doing a cross-country journalistic style, YouTube show.
oh, okay.
And I'm an actor and a filmmaker,
Cool.
and I moved to Texas to get out of Los Angeles, for some obvious reasons or not, come raise some kids down here and stuff. And so now the shutdown had affected my industry really bad and put me out of work.
Yeah.
So I'm having to let my ex-wife take over the house for a while, and now we're going to go on the road, me and a couple other filmmakers, and we're going to go and film. We're have interviews with regular folks in regular towns all over, and people that have followed me in my career as well.
Music captures our souls.
Okay.
This slides out, and then there's two slide outs in the back.
Okay.
The bed slides out, and so does that dresser. It all slides out and opens up.
Now, am I allowed to have a Chiweenie?
Yeah. As long as, they won't get on the furniture, will they?
They ain't gonna tear nothing up.
It's a tiny little thing.
Tiny little dog. He's like my
You
service
don't
dog.
mind as long as if it does tear something up, you're responsible. So.
Agreed. That's definitely.
And what was the going rate on this one?
This one I did. It was $250, but if you're gonna have it for the whole month, it's gonna be $200 a day.
$200. And is that all in, or does that include is there taxes and all that stuff on top of that?
The tax, yeah, there is tax on top of it. I'm not gonna charge you any mileage. It's usually 10 miles a day free. But since you're gonna have it for a whole month, I won't charge you any mileage.
We might actually end up having it for more than a whole month.
Okay.
Like if
We're
because we're gonna be fundraising,
Okay.
and if we
And we would promote whoever we make a deal with and take the truck. We'd add
So we need a box of your cards.
Okay.
And we would also advertise it on the show as a banner ad on our show as well.
Okay.
Like special thanks to Rick's RV and all the everything.
Yeah.
If I do get some business, I'll give you a discount.
Let's get out of here because it's boiling hot. I know we're all sweating.
Yeah, this is.
We live for the music.
Oh, does Harley come in?
This place looks great.
I like that, man. That's, I know, isn't it?
I love it. How long have you lived here?
I've been here since 83.
83?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah, I love the idea of using this interior as well. It's such a good look. It gets a nice industrial feel, and as a backsplash, I mean, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Very, very industrial farm feel. It's very cool in here.
That's our farmhouse.
It's great.
Very nice. Whose bats are those?
There, you got Dallas Taco, Alex Bregman, AJ Hint, Jose Altuve, a couple of different ones.
Very nice.
I still got a couple I don't have cases for right there, but the glass one, that one's Hint. That one's Alex Bregman. This one here is Dallas Taco.
Yeah, is this glass or
Yes.
is it a? It is glass.
It's made of glass.
That's crazy. Yeah, I was wondering if it was that or it was like one of those like hard
Plexi?
synthetics. But that must weigh a ton.
It's a glass bat. They don't weigh too much.
No?
They're pretty nice. You can't touch them with your hand. You have to wear gloves.
Oh yeah.
Great collection. Love it. Cool. So, so you were saying, sorry, distracted by how cool your place is.
What we can do is if you decide to do 1 week, then you call me when you start getting some money in and pay me for the next week. And then what I can do is let me talk to.
We could do two. I think we've raised a little over $7,000 so far, but that's for the whole budget. That's for all of our film equipment, all the food, all everything. So we could probably do once I transfer the money out of the GoFundMe account. I'll just transfer what I need to pay you, which I think I could probably do maybe a couple of months up front.
Yeah.
I mean, a
Well-
couple of weeks up front, or a little over that, just to help.
What we can do is, let me talk to my wife. She's one of the other owners of this.
Okay.
See if it's possible if we could go, if you pay after the first 3 weeks and then the 4th week, pay half price. So it'd be like only $100 a day.
Gotcha.
So go from 1,400 to 700.
Yeah.
If that'd help.
That
I
would-
mean, everything would help. I mean,
Yeah.
everything would help. You can't believe the mission we've been on. We've been driving. We've been from Katy to to the other side of Houston to that side. I mean, we've been all over to so many different places, and it's been an uphill battle,
Yeah.
to say the least.
Anybody helping?
Yeah. Well, I'm buddies with Michael Berry. You know, the Michael Berry Show.
Yeah.
So I've been trying to nudge him a little bit to see if he could do some flexing for me on the on that side of things, because a phone call from that dude will get anything done in Houston.
Yeah.
But this deal right here is the best one that we've come across.
Yeah.
I don't want to let go of it.
Yeah.
So is there something that I can do to hang on to this till you talk to your wife and you give us a call?
Yeah, just
And
tell
then-
me if you're interested.
We want it.
We want it.
Yeah, we want it.
Okay. All right, let me get you the down.
Perfect.
Well, my man, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so
Yes,
much,
sir.
Rick.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah, brother. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Good meeting y'all.
Hey,
Cheers.
and then what's the name of your business?
Rick's RV Rentals and Repairs.
In Conroe, Texas.
Conroe, Texas.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.